Is Agile dead? Or has AI changed it into something entirely new? For years, Agile has been the standard for software development. But now, with companies laying off Agile roles and AI taking over key tasks, many are questioning its relevance. Is this the end of Agile as we know it? Or is it the start of its greatest transformation yet? Today, we'll explore how AI is reshaping Agile and what this means for entrepreneurs, software developers, and businesses everywhere. This channel is brought to you by CDO, from classroom to boardroom, your trusted partner in digital transformation for the education and HR industries. Agile wasn't just another way to make software, it was a revolution. When it came out in 2001, the Agile Manifesto changed everything about how we build software. No more rigid step-by-step methods like waterfall, where you planned every detail ahead and hoped it all worked out months or years later. Agile brought something new: flexibility, teamwork, and a strong focus on what customers really need. The beauty of Agile was in its ability to adapt. Teams could deliver small working pieces of software, get quick feedback, and make changes along the way. It wasn't about working harder, it was about working smarter. Developers loved it because it was fast. Businesses loved it because it got results. And customers loved it because their opinion mattered. Agile wasn't just fixing problems, it was staying ahead of them. But as Agile became the go-to method, new challenges arose. Small teams did well, but what about big companies handling huge projects involving many departments? That's when Agile had to evolve again. Frameworks like SAFe, Scaled Agile Framework, LESS, Large-Scale Scrum, and Nexus come into play. These weren't just tools, they were lifelines for organizations managing complex projects with hundreds or thousands of moving parts. SAFe, for example, helped businesses coordinate across many teams while keeping agile speed and flexibility. LESS and Nexus improves communication and teamwork, making sure every team worked toward the same goal without getting in each other's way. It was like turning a small band into the full orchestra while keeping the music beautiful and in sync. Agile was once prized as the best way to develop software, but now it's facing serious criticism. People are questioning its value, calling its practice outdated. Roles like Scrum Masters and Agile coaches are being cut from companies more than ever. What went wrong? Let's look into it. Agile's main idea was brilliant. Deliver small working parts of a project, get feedback, improve, and repeat. It was meant to be flexible, team-based, and quick to respond. But in many companies, Agile has become just another process, a checklist to follow, not a mindset. Take daily stand-ups. They were supposed to help teams align quickly, avoiding long meetings. But in some places, they've become boring rituals where people just list tasks without real collaboration. Sprints were a way to focus teams, but sometimes they've turned into strict deadlines that care more about speed than quality. When big companies try to use Agile, problems appear. What works for a small team of 10 doesn't always work for a company of 10,000. Coordination gets messy, dependencies grow, and Agile loses its agility. This criticism isn't just talk, it's affecting jobs. Recently, Agile roles have been some of the first to go when companies downsize. Capital One removed all its Agile positions, getting rid of roles like Scrum Masters and Agile coaches. A UK bank cut 1,000 Agile-related jobs in one layoff. Why? For many companies, Agile wasn't giving the results it promised. Teams were doing Agile, following the steps like stand-ups and sprints, but weren't truly being Agile. The framework became the goal, not the outcomes. As companies tried to save money, they asked tough questions. Are we really getting value from these roles? Can we merge Agile duties into other jobs like product managers or engineers? Can AI do what Scrum Masters or coaches did? The answers led to hard choices, and Agile roles were often the first to be cut. Is Agile dead in today's AI-driven world? Can it still deliver value, or it's time for a new approach? Share your thoughts in the comments. At the heart of the criticism, it's one main issue: misimplementation. Agile isn't failing because it's bad, it's failing because it's been misunderstood, used wrong, and sometimes over-commercialized. Certifications and frameworks have become big business. Everyone wants to sell Agile training or consulting, but this often teaches people what to do, not why they are doing it. The result? Agile turns into the strict rules instead of flexible, value-driven mindset it was meant to be. And when the rules don't fit the project, people blame Agile itself. Imagine this. Your Agile team starts the day not just with a list of tasks, but with a prioritized plan created overnight by AI. Important bugs are already highlighted, sprint plans are optimized, and your team knows exactly what to work on first. This isn't science fiction. It's what AI can do for Agile. Agile is about teamwork, flexibility, and feedback. AI takes these principles and makes them even stronger. Let's see how. Testing is crucial, but it can take a lot of time and be repetitive. AI tools like Testing automatically create test cases from user stories. This doesn't just save time, it ensures thorough testing without humans having to oversee it. Your team can focus on more important work, knowing that the key tests are covered. A tech company cut their manual testing time by 40% using AI, speeding up their releases without losing quality. Estimating tasks can be tricky. With AI, those guesses are backed by data. AI looks at past performance to suggest consistent estimates, making planning quicker and more accurate. Why it matters? Teams spend less time arguing over estimates and more time developing. Not all bugs are equal. Finding the most critical ones early can save a project. AI tools like IntelliCode analyze code to predict problems and prioritize fixes based on impact. This means developers spend less time on minor issues and more time solving big problems. Case in point, a leading software company used AI-powered bug detection to reduce production issues by 30%, making customers happier. Planning sprints can be complex, balancing team workload, deadlines, and priorities. AI tools like Jira's advanced roadmaps analyze work, past results, and timelines to suggest the best sprint plans. The result? Teams meet their goals with fewer surprises, and managers can assign resources more effectively. Teams are often spread out now, and AI helps them work together across time zones and languages. Tools like Slack with AI offer real-time language translation and make meeting summaries, so everyone stays informed and even if they are not in the same place. Why it works? Teams spend less time catching up and more time moving forward, no matter where they are. What if you could see risks before they hurt your project? Tools like Smartsheet use AI to predict risks and suggest ways to avoid them. Example, a financial company used AI to spot a resource problem weeks ahead, allowing them to adjust and meet their deadlines. Why this matters to you? Whenever you are creating software products or growing your startup, combining AI and Agile changes the game. It's about working smarter, letting your team focus on innovation while AI handles routine tasks. Agile gave us a way to adapt. AI makes that adaptation instant and based on data. The result? Faster releases, better products, and the team that's always ahead. So, is your Agile team ready for these new dynamics? Because the future of Agile isn't just about meetings and plans, it's about AI-driven insights, accuracy, and performance. Leaders, entrepreneurs, software innovators, this is your time. Agile isn't just a method, and AI isn't just a tool. Together, they are the most powerful combination your teams can use to innovate, adapt, and deliver. But here's the thing, this synergy doesn't happen on its own. it needs you to lead it. So how can you help your teams get the most from AI and Agile? Let's break it down. Knowledge is power. To lead well, you need to stay ahead. Attend AI workshops and Agile events to learn the latest tools and trends. Join webinars and forums where people discuss real-world use cases of AI in Agile. You don't have to write code or set up AI models, but you need to know what these tools can do. That way, you can ask the right questions and guide your team effectively. Your team is your greatest asset. Help them succeed in this AI-enhanced Agile world by encouraging ongoing learning and trying new things. Encourage teams to try new AI tools like GitHub Copilot or Jira's advanced roadmaps. Provide training, online courses, certifications, or internal knowledge sharing sessions. The goal? Make innovation a habit. When your team knows that trying AI tools is encouraged, they will find new ways to be efficient and effective. AI can break down barriers, but you need to bring people together. Use AI insights to align goals across departments. Marketing can share real-time customers' data with product development. Operations can spot workflow issues for the engineering team to fix. Sales can share user trends to help prioritize features. Think of AI as the connector. It provides the data, but you set the direction. Regular meetings supported by AI-driven reports can turn separate teams into a unified group working toward shared goals. Remember, AI is not the decision maker. It's an advisor. It's easy to be impressed by AI's accuracy, but human creativity, intuition, and empathy are still crucial. Use AI to analyze trends and suggest actions, but trust your team's instincts for final decisions. Combine AI's insights with your team's expertise to create solutions that are both innovative and meaningful. The magic happens when AI and human intelligence work together. Big successes often start with small steps. When bringing AI into Agile workflows, start with pilot programs. Choose one team or a project to test AI tools. Monitor progress, get feedback, and adjust before expanding. This not only reduces risk, but also builds team confidence. When teams see quick wins, they be more excited about using AI more broadly. Leaders who embrace this combination, Agile's flexibility with AI's precision, will be the ones who innovate faster than competitors, boost team productivity without burning out employees, create better products that delight customers and grow the business. So what's the bottom line? AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to empower you and your team. But for this to work, it starts with leadership. When you understand the technology, encourage learning, and promote collaboration, you are not just leading Agile teams, you are leading them into the future. The future of Agile and AI isn't just bright, it's transformational. Picture a world where your teams work smarter, faster, and more smoothly than ever, powered by AI tools that understand your business almost as well as you do. Let's look at what's coming for Agile and AI and how it sets to change the way we work. AI is already changing how we do Agile, but this is just the start. In the future, AI will handle even more complex tasks, from automating entire processes to improving customer experiences with precise insights. AI tools will process huge amounts of data in real time, helping teams find opportunities and risks faster. Personalization will get even better when AI adjusting products and services to meet each customer's needs. Imagine a software company using AI to predict when customers might leave and automatically changing their product to keep them happy. That's not just Agile, that's the next level. The future isn't about choosing Agile or another method like Waterfall. It's about combining the best parts of each. We'll see Agile and Lean hybrids focusing on reducing waste and delivering value, Agile frameworks mixed with Waterfall methods to handle big complex projects like infrastructure or healthcare systems, custom models where businesses pick elements from Agile, Lean, and DevOps to fit their unique needs. This flexibility will let teams handle any project, no matter how complicated, without losing the adaptability that makes Agile great. Imagine project management on autopilot where AI handles planning, execution, and reviews. AI will analyze workloads, timelines, and team dynamics to create the best sprint plans. During work, AI will monitor progress, pointing out potential delays before they happen. Reviews won't just rely on human memory. AI will provide actionable insights, finding patterns and suggesting improvements based on data. This doesn't mean humans are out. It means leaders and teams can focus on strategic decisions while AI handles routine tasks. As AI becomes part of agile cultures, the possibilities are endless. Teams will deliver custom solutions faster, responding to customers' feedback in real time. AI will act as a partner, helping teams brainstorm, solve problems, and even write code. Agile workflows will adapt on their own, changing to fit the product's needs without missing a beat. It's agile but smarter, working at the speed of innovation. But here's the thing. This future won't just happen. You need vision, strategy, and the willingness to change. Organizations that fully embrace AI and bring it into their workflows, train their teams to use AI tools effectively, align their processes with agile principles but stay flexible to include new methods. These are the organizations that won't just keep up, they will lead. They will shape industries, delight customers, and set new standards for what's impossible. It isn't just about keeping up, it's about leading the way. It's about using the power of AI to boost creativity, teamwork, and results. The businesses that embrace this vision today will be the ones defining successes tomorrow. So, are you ready to lead your teams into the future of Agile? Because the future is here, and it's smarter, faster, and more innovative than ever. So, is AI the final nail in the Agile's coffin? Definitely not. In fact, AI isn't ending Agile, it's giving it new life, making it smarter, faster, and better able to meet the demands of today's fast-changing business world. Entrepreneurs, software developers, business leaders, this isn't just another trend. This is your chance to embrace AI and adapt Agile to set your teams up for great success. Software development is changing quickly, and those who combine Agile and AI will lead the way. With AI boosting Agile's core principles, teamwork, flexibility, and responsiveness, you are not just making software anymore, you are creating experiences, driving innovation, and setting new standards for what's impossible. But don't just take my word for it. What do you think? Are Agile and AI the ultimate team or just another buzzword? How do you see this change affecting your businesses, your team, and your industry? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's turn this conversation into a movement. Together, we can shape the future of work, one sprint, one innovation, one breakthrough at a time. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the future of Agile and AI. Let's build this exciting future together.